In this video, I am going to show you how to add links to Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add links to it. So to do this, at first you need to open your Wix website editor. I want to add a link to this let's work together text. So I am going to select this text and on the top we will see this link icon. So we are going to click on it. And here we will see multiple options for the link, like we can link this text to a page, so we can easily select our page from here. Also you can link it to the web address, you can link it to the any section of your website, you can link it to document, email, phone number or like box. I want to link this text with the web address, so I am going to select web address from here and then I am going to paste my web address here, and you can also select how you want it open. You can select it to new window or current window. I will select new window from here and then click on done. After that, from the top just click on publish, and in this way link will be added to this text. You can add links to text, images or any other elements as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.